Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how I make my Spider-Man back logos, like these. In this video I'm doing the back spider for my Ron Friends costume. The materials you're going to need are big construction paper, a printer, any sewing machine, red thread, a seam ripper in case you make a mistake, black Sharpies, a good pair of scissors, your red fabric, I use this one from Blue Moon, your blue fabric, and basting spray. First up, you're going to find an image of the logo you want. You could just draw one out by hand, but I think printing one is easier. And I normally use comic panels, but this Ramita logo image exists, so I don't have to for this. Then you're just going to crop it in half and print it out. Then you're going to tape down the logo and trace it onto your big construction paper. I'm tracing the Ramita logo a little thicker just to match the Ron Friends style. And then after you're done tracing, you could cut it out. Next up, you're going to trace your logo onto the blue back piece of your pattern. And that'll look like this when you're done. Then on a new piece of paper, you're just going to trace your pattern half 2 times to make a whole one again, and then cut it out. And now you have your paper pieces done. Now you're going to lightly spray your paper logo piece with the basting spray. And I say lightly as in don't make it wet, just kind of coat it with the flurries. Now you're just going to stick your paper piece to your red fabric and cut it out. The paper makes it pretty easy to cut. Then you just slowly peel the logo off the paper piece. After that, I cut a blue fabric piece that's bigger than the back piece. It'll make the next step easier. Now line up your red fabric logo onto the back piece. Next up, you're going to spray the fabric logo with the basting spray. Again, lightly spray it, just so there's the flurries on it. And then you can line it up a little bit more after that. Next part is kind of strange. I use my knees to hold the blue pieces down, then I just lay it over the logo. Make sure it's laid flat and not wrinkled. And then I just pat down the logo. Then I flip the paper over and I trace the blue piece with a marker. And then you just carefully peel off the paper piece and you can see the logo is stuck on. And now it's time to sew. The basting spray makes this super easy. I don't pin it or anything. And to sew this, I use a zigzag with a width of about 1. You could use a straight stitch if you want, I just like zigzags. And my tension is at 7 while sewing this. And then you're just going to sew it as close to the edge as you can. This isn't that hard, it's pretty easy. You just sew it on. And make sure you lift up the presser foot whenever you get to like a corner. And backstitch at the beginning and end of everything you do. And that's pretty much it. You can see me trimming the thread on the back here. And that's it, you have a back logo now. Next video up is how I record my web wings. I already have the pattern part recorded for that. And that should be out in a few days, probably. And after that, I'm thinking a video on the whole Ron Friends costume. When that's done, I just have to sew up the shirt. And then costumes after that, I'm thinking Alex Ross probably. That's all I have for today though, so thanks for watching.